Come back with my idea again on my blog for today. Yeah, I just finished the Raya River. That's why I make a video. Yeah, today come back with me and don't forget to like, share, and comment if you want. If you don't want, don't because I'm not really need this one because I'm not as a blogger. Just learn more about English. Speak English for today. This is my blog. Okay. What about you guys? Are you happy or no? How are you today? Are you have a lunch? Don't forget to lunch, guys. And don't forget to rest if you need to rest. First, I just want to say thank you for you guys to always follow my activity, my blog. I'm so sorry if my English still like uh so wrong. Like yeah, I make a mistake maybe. Yeah, that's why I just want to you for you guys to help me like correct if I'm wrong to improve my English. And today let me think about the topic because yeah, like every day I'm so very confusing again. Every day I'm confused about my topic for making a blog. And that's why I'm really need you guys for it. Let me think first. How about we talk about like about berries. Yeah, you know berries. Berries is fruit like they have so many berries like strawberries, cranberries, uh, blackberries, white berries, red berries, and more again. But I try. But why in Indonesia just have a one Persian like just little? It's not full of Persian like other countries. So many berries there like yeah, white berries and blackberries and you know red berries. Yeah, other country is very have so many berries like fruit. It's more fruit like Indonesian, and but Indonesian have local fruit is like jackpot, uh, salak, tebu, durian. What what else? Rambutan. Yeah, but in other country have like berries. It's really beautiful fruit. Like we can knowing the different about this fruit, but yeah, this ASEAN or Europe. The ASEAN fruit is very like local fruit. Like yeah, salak, very local, and durian, yes, very local, guys. Cause I can see durian in other country like you know Europe. Yeah, I never see durian trees in Europe. Cause yeah, this the ASEAN fruit type. That's why we never find this uh, fruit in other country like Europe or America. And why in other country have so really pretty fruit like apple, grape, watermelon, pineapple. So many again, like cranberries, cranberries and blackberries is more again. But why in Indonesia I don't have like this? I'm real confused sometimes because we have so different fruit, guys. I feel like I'm really needed to have like other country. And then, but guys, I'm also really like my our local fruit. It's more delicious. Is yeah, top really delicious here. If you know, if you was trying uh, local fruit from yeah, especially Indonesian country. That's why yeah, we just say to lucky happy, not one have another fruit like other country. We can switch each other. We can switch with each other with yeah other country maybe. It's like you can see grape here. You can switch this grape for other country. Sorry guys, here is already too rainy day. Look at, you can hear the sound from rain. Yes, here's more weather, hot weather. That's why here already too rainy. I just arrived at house now because I'm going with my mom to buy in supermarket for yeah for my small market as we really need it. By the way guys, I'm so tired of to yapping with you. It's so long minute yapping with you guys. I'm never stop to talk with you every day, every minute, every second. Yeah. And more I'm sleepy when I found yeah, this is really hot weather here in this Indonesian summer or summer season because we don't have snow here. That's why our fruit is local, like yeah, mango. Mango is summer fruit. Yeah, the type of summer fruit. When Indonesia is have a rainy season, maybe mango is not sweet because yeah, because so every day can rainy. That's why when this mango wants to have yeah like flower, we really need a summer reason for have sweet mango. And then we have so many different fruit. I don't know in English. I just know in Sasak language. I can spell for you the picture of this fruit because yeah, I just use one phone cell here. My phone is this one, guys. If borrow my mom phone, maybe I can spell for you the difference of fruit local and other countries. I've never see palm here. Like palm just have in other country because Indonesia don't have palm fruit. Palm, yeah, and peach. Peach. In Indonesia, really find never find peach fruit. And see, guess this is the one of it's not It's not a Indonesian fruit. It's not local fruit from Indonesia. Maybe when I want to try this fruit, we can like import from other countries. Sorry, I just smell so bad here. Like rambutan, or yeah, rambutan. Rambutan is from Indonesian language. This is the fruit have of hair. Yeah, the meaning of rambut is hair. That's why they call rambutan. The color of this fruit is red and yellow. When yellow is not sweet, and if you find red color is more sweet. Oh, it's really spicy food from my mom, guys. My mom make spicy food here. I can't want to. Oh, I'm really, yeah. This is smell is making me disturbed. And you know, taboo is, yeah. When you want to make sugar, you can use taboo. Taboo is not fruit. I don't know, the similar of, yeah, bamboo. In English we say bamboo, right? I'm forget it, guys. Sorry. Yeah, this is more sweet, guys, and I really like this to eat this one. Oh my gosh, my nose is not comfortable when I smell. This first smells bad here because it's more spicy. Smells so bad. My mom when make a spicy sambal. It's very spicy, guys. I'm so sorry if I just, yeah, hide my face because, yeah, I just protect my nose here from this smell. I just arrived here at my house because we really go together earlier before prayer zuhur with my mom. So now I'm really confused to doing that again because, yeah, I'm so sleepy. Maybe I need to rest again because, yeah, so lot my energy is lost. I'm lost my energy more a lot when I going with my friend. It make me very tired until now. But I try to not just lying down. I just want to help my mom first, and yeah, I'm really forcing myself here. But just little excited. It's not full, guys. Sorry. But yeah, guys, as you know, you are loyal. My viewer. Thank you for you too. Yeah, always see my video. Okay, and bye bye, guys. Sayonara.